Congratulations! You've survived millions of years of evolution. You think you're a biological masterpiece? A pinnacle of engineering? Think again. In reality, your body is built like a budget smartphone from 2010, full of glitches, bad wiring, and parts that don't even belong there. Welcome to Planet Snaps, where today we are roasting your biology. Here are 5 reasons why the human body is actually a design disaster. Let's talk about your back. See, evolution spent millions of years perfecting a spine for 4-legged animals. It was a bridge, it was stable. But then humans decided, hey, let's stand up so we can look at memes. Now your lower back is doing all the heavy lifting. It's like trying to balance a bowling ball on a stack of wet sponges. No wonder your back hurts after sitting for 5 minutes. Evolution didn't design you for an office job. It just didn't have time to fix the blueprint. Now let's look at your throat. This is peak laziness. Evolution decided to use the same pipe for breathing and eating. Think about that. It's like having your kitchen sink and your toilet use the same plumbing. One wrong move with a piece of chicken, and it's game over. Dolphins and whales have separate holes for breathing and eating. They are smarter than us. You can literally die because you got too excited about a chicken nugget. Absolute design fail. Guess what? You're partially blind right now. Your eyes are wired backward. The nerves are in front of the light sensors, creating a literal hole in your vision called a blind spot. Your brain just hallucinations and fills in the gap so you don't panic. Even a $20 webcam is designed better than your eyes. Meanwhile, octopuses have their wiring behind the sensors. They can see perfectly. Why does a sea monster have better tech than the peak of evolution? And then there's the junk drawer of the body. The appendix does nothing for 30 years and then suddenly decides to explode just for the drama. And wisdom teeth? Your jaw is too small for them, so they just grow sideways and cost you $3,000 at the dentist. Thanks, Grandpa Evolution, for the useless gifts we didn't ask for. So, next time you trip over your own feet or your back screams at you, just remember, you're not perfect. You're just a collection of biological workarounds. But hey, at least you have thumbs to click that subscribe button. Subscribe to Planet Snaps for more savage science roasts. Stay weird, humans.